I think icon na ata yung K-pop group na aksidente ko lang talagang na-stan. It was 2018 and low-key listener pa lang ako ng K-pop songs pero in spirit ako at that time when I accidentally bumped to Icon's song at that time, which is yung Killing Me. And mind you, wala pa akong kaide-ideya sa impact ng love scenario that time. And grabe lang kasi being iconic is not for everyone. Yung kwento, college ako noon and stress sa life sa college. And yun, Icon, one of the things that helped me overcome my struggles that year. Kaya nung nangyari yung isa sa pinakamasakit na pwedeng mangyari sa isang K-pop group next year, which is 2019, hindi ko kinaya. Pero who would have thought that 6-7 years later, I'm still here at papunta sa concert ng Icon for their last tour before mag-military enlistment. Bilang isang iconic fan ng Icon, sobrang dami namin pinagdaanan, promise. From all the drama in YG, tapos nung nangyari na nalipat ng agency sa 143, from once a year comeback to no update at all, to ngayon na parang every month may new releases, may new song na nire-release, which is good. Wala lang, I just want to say thank you Icon for staying despite everything. They could have disbanded after their contract sa YG pero they still together and pursue music. At syempre, salamat din sa matitibay na iconics na patuloy pa rin tatangkalikin ng Icon. I just couldn't wait na makita ulit sila, all of them 6 performing in one stage. Pero for now, enjoy ko muna tong concert and yeah, good luck sa military and see you again Icon. And again, thank you.